Hi everyone, Dom here from the Panasonic kitchen, and in this video I'm going to talk you through everything you need to do to make a really great pizza sauce with our brand new Panasonic Cooking Blender. This is a new product for us that's been released in 2025 and we're really excited about it. If you are interested in purchasing this product, you can head to our Panasonic online stores. You can purchase direct from Panasonic. All the details are in the descriptions below, so do check those out. So when it comes to pizza sauces, there's a huge amount of recipes out there to choose from. In terms of ingredients for us, we've got 400 grams of chopped tomatoes here. We've got a teaspoon of dried oregano. We've got salt and pepper to taste, a generous pinch of sugar, and lastly, 2 teaspoons of tomato puree. So firstly, we're going to remove the silent valve and the quiet cover off the blender. These are two really great features that help reduce the noise it makes massively to keep your kitchen nice and quiet while you're cooking. Next, we're going to lift the blender jug off and remove the lid. To do that, you simply need to just twist it off like that, and then it comes out. And then it's just a simple case of adding all your ingredients together. Now, I mentioned recipes earlier. If you are interested in more recipes, we've actually released a brand new app with this product called Kitchen Plus. You can download it from the Apple Store or the Android Store. It's designed to give a whole host of brand new recipes for our customers to use with this blender and our other new product, the multi-cooker. So do check out that app. So let's start adding our ingredients. Firstly, the chopped tomatoes, get those in there. Next we'll add the tomato puree. In that goes. Generous pinch of sugar. The oregano. And lastly, salt and pepper to taste. Just generous pinch of both. Once you've got all the ingredients in there, you can pop the lid back on by the same method and then click it into place like that. Then we can pop the blender mug back on top. The machine will beep to let you know that it's in securely. And then it's about choosing our cooking mode. So if we have a look at the control panel on our blender, you can see there's a whole host of cooking options, but we're actually not going to be cooking this sauce. We're just going to blend it because we're going to cook it later in a Panasonic combi microwave on our actual pizza. So we're going to move to the manual cooking mode there. And once we're there, we're going to select it with the start button. The machine will beep and you'll see a flashing temperature icon. If you rotate the dial, you'll see that the temperature actually goes up. But as I said, we're not going to be cooking anything, so we're going to keep the temperature on the 2 dashes icon there. We're going to select that with start. It's then going to take us to the power mode options. And there's 11 different options here. There's low power, and then there's first gear, second gear, all the way up to 8th gear, and then PH, which is the highest blend mode we have. But for this recipe, we're actually going to use the PP mode, which is the pulse mode. Once you select this mode, it's going to start a 1-minute timer, which is going to be plenty enough time to blend all these ingredients together. So let's select that and the machine will start. So as you can see, the machine's already begun. I'm going to pop the quiet cover on just to help dull down a little bit of that noise. And in a minute's time, you're going to have a really great pizza sauce ready to put on your pizza or pop in the fridge for when you're ready. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.